We're going to do a quick product demo for Fire Meetings. We started the add-on from the add-on under Tools, and you can see it's captured the time we've been in the meeting so far, going up by 1 second. And now that we've had a join, it captures any time lag there, maybe just a couple seconds latency, and then now we're going up by 2 seconds. And we can toggle see the burn as well. We're going to go ahead and just start this on the main stage, which then will show for all the other participants in the call. Once again, just the basic burn and time. Burn is calculated based off of either annual salary or hourly rate. We default it to 100K if it hasn't been filled in yet by anyone. Okay, and now that we're tracking, we can see this data being tracked through in the dashboard from dashboard.firemeetings.io. We have a light and dark mode, and you can see you can toggle between weekly and monthly as well as totals and averages here. And then we also have some charts that visualize this data, and right now just 4, although there will be more as we go along. Once again, longer or shorter time frames, and then a reporting tool so you can see over different ranges. We've only been testing 5-6 days, so there's no difference yet there. But you can also select between different users and then run a different report based off of which one you want to do. Meeting history, you can see all your organization's meetings and run by a lot of different filters. And then participants, if you click in the detail of any of these, you can see who's in it, in addition to total burn, date, and so forth. We place the set salaries, and we do a directory sync through Google Workspace integration to pull those in. And then some settings, most importantly, tracking or not tracking external participants in the burn and time calculations. And then last but not least, obviously, a link to install our add-on